Kasi pinapilin ko ano. Thank you so much. Bakit naman ako nagkunin? Hindi pa naman talaga. You know, it might be my birthday, but please stop. Really, coming into my birthday this year, but it's not something that I felt I wanted to celebrate kahit na 40th siya, kahit milestone siya. Because of course, my daughter is not here. She's finishing her college degree in Australia. And as you know, in terms of visa, medyo mahirap na. Ngayon ko lang yun na-realize na it poses that challenge for us in terms of milestone. We're not able to celebrate all together. And as you know, parang my heart, I always want my family sana complete. So, my 40th birthday, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. Kasi usually, di ba, pag 40th birthday, you do all these really nice shoots, lots of big projects. But I think over the 3 decades that I've been at this I realized that at this point, I no longer have main focus on what I do as an individual, as a professional. But more importantly, parang I wanted to make sure that I will be dedicated na giving back to people who have been very, very good to me. And syempre, pag nagdadasal ka, diba, you always say, Lord, can you please bless me with this? Family, and beautiful children, I already have them. A husband who supports what I love to do, I have them. A career that somehow I can be very proud about. I have that. So, when you want to say thank you to the Lord for all the blessings, mabibigay sa Kanya na enough already. So, the main focus really is to make sure that 40 years old onwards will be all about giving back the blessings that we have been showered with. Kasi I grew up naman in a very simple family. Wala naman ako naalalang mamamana ko sa magulang ko bukod sa pagmamahal. And so if there's anything I'm very good at, apart from the most giving love to people who I feel will be inspired and that people. We've already gone here several times with our friends. I want to thank sila Kuya Marco Victoria and sila Brother Ko because they've been so kind to share the children with us today. Lagi naman nila itong ginagawa kahit wala tayo, kahit walang kumpuka, kahit walang coverage. They always do this. So basically, makabisita lang tayo today. And so good because all my parents have been very generous to give for the celebration of my birthday. So, sobrang pasasalamat ko na nararamdaman ko. And of course, the team of ABS, our digital team, the SMB, everyone who trying to spare their time for me today. Sunday po nung din, kaya thank you guys. Alam ko, family day today, kahit ako rin siguro malinapan ako pupunta dahil linggo. But so grateful that today we're celebrating life. Not just mine, kasi when you think about other artista ka, diba? It's all about me. But in reality, other artista will not live with artista if not for the support of the entire village. Of people who work hard and hard to make sure that we look our best all the time and we are able to give our best. Miss Nicholas,
Birthday, why these children po pala? Why these children yung napili nyo for your birthday? Although nabanggit nyo na you've been here na rin po many times before.
okay, so these children are children with a lot of dreams. And I have 3 kids. At nakita ko na ang mga bata, when you are able to give them just one day, one moment to make them feel that all the dreams that they have in their head are possible. Imagine yung mga tao o yung mga bata dito, nakikita nila kayo at someday they would not be like you. You are giving them hope today. And that's the reason why I wanted to do it in Weekends today is because I'm a mom. And I know the value of showing time for children. So whether anak ko yan, lesson here. The kids are our future. They are the very brightness of the future that we have in this country and everywhere in the world. I want to value that for my birthday and really give it to you. To be able to give back kasi ganito ako when my sister passed away and my papa passed away. And I thought at that time my life was hopeless and hopeless. But a lot of people gave me hope. And what were given the option like us, huwag natin salangan mo. Really, the things that you show up means a lot to everybody. And it doesn't matter whether you're a stranger or not. Ang importante ay one person will not be fully alone. At least for one day.
Last question. What are you feeling when you were happy? Did you feel it? Or like,
I feel it in my joints. Ay, 40 na pala ako. Sakit pala na katorbo. Alam mo, nagsimula ako magkatawa kasi day shift ko.
yeah,
I've been a breadwinner for as long as I can remember. Salamat ko at feel ko na may kukurdi na ako. I would always go back to that moment that my brother passed away right before his 41st birthday. I fear this moment. Isa-isa pag panahon. Kasi I was 16 when my papa passed away and he hardly experienced his 40s. Ano lang, aneurysm. As in, pinutukan siya ng ugat, namatay siya. So, when I realized na this work, life is short. A lot of things can challenge us. At ang pinakamahirap sa lahat, yung challenge ng inner battle mo. So many things, doubts, and challenges in our minds and our hearts can tell us na we're not worthy of the blessings, you can't do this, the world has become so chaotic, wala nang magagawa, kahit ano pang maliit na bagay na pwede mong gawin. But I will stop feeling grateful that I am alive. Wala akong sakit, walang sakit ng pamilya ko, ang alone. Kasi I was blessed that I could ever ask for in this life. At this point, the more ko na in life is, everything now is just a bonus in the life that I've been living. So, kung kami pag-best sa most important thing that I see, if I see my children happy, I have my husband beside me, I'm alright. Yes, alright. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.